Hey everybody, so I just wanted to do a little before. This is the My Hair System from LaVivid Hair. It's a custom piece that I've had on, well, I've been taking it off and on since probably the end of last year. I want to say around September-ish, maybe October. But anyway, it's been a while. It's been at least 6 months or so. It's held up very well. As you can see, it still looks very natural. I haven't done anything with it today. But I'm ready for something different, so this is gonna come off, and who knows what's gonna end up. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair system off, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this front part, because it's lace, with 99% alcohol, and so that it can release and it won't be as sticky. I've refilled this bottle that I got from Walgreens with some 99% alcohol. Just wanna make sure you keep your head back. I'm looking in the mirror, so if I'm not looking at the camera, you have to excuse me. And that just helps break down the adhesive. Try not to get anything in your eyes. And there are removers that you can use, but I forgot them at the salon. Walker makes a lace release. All right, so I work that kind of into the front. And then, yep, see, it just comes right up. And then all my tacky stuff is still on my head, which will be easier for me to clean up in the long run. So also, I can just hit that with a little alcohol through there, and it should come right up. Okay, and that's it. Hairpiece is off. There's a little bit of tape on there, but for the most part, it's still on my head. And since it's me and I don't mind if it stings a little bit, I am gonna probably just spray this with some alcohol and pull that tape up. But if you keep your scalp healthy, most of the time alcohol's okay. Unless you have a little abrasion, sometimes that doesn't feel good. But I do like the alcohol because then you don't have to fight through the oil. Ooh. Sometimes you get a little bit of hair there, you have to be careful. That's what I'm always worried about with my clients, is I don't want anybody to be in pain while we're getting their hair done or removing anything. All right, so that's me, all fresh, no tape, no adhesive. All right, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up, shave my head, and I'll be back. Hey peeps, so I just got my hair done, and I don't know, I wanted to keep it long because I want to try to get into a longer style, but as you can see, my hairline looks really good. I got some little baby hairs in there. And this is the Mirage by Vivid Hair.